Hi, welcome back on the What Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up a date and time in the Windows 11. So to do this operation, click on the search here and write the settings, choose the settings from here, and there is on the left side we have a time and language, so choose on it. Click on the date and time, and from here you can set the time zone automatically, off or on. It's whatever you travel or not. If not, it's in disable it. You can choose manually the set the time zone. Of course, you can add use the daylight saving time automatically here on the on. You can set the time automatically on or off, whatever it's changing on the winter or spring. And there is a show time date in system tray, so you can disable it from here and you never see the time from that. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.